Welcome to our signature segment, See the Stories, on our 3-hour news show on See Today. So today we will talk about the Madani International Film Festival, an annual event to celebrate the lives of Muslims worldwide.
Now, featuring the theme Celebrating Muslim Diversity, let's delve deeper into this festival with our guest today. We have the Madani International Film Festival board member, Hikmat Darthawan, if I'm not mistaken, and also Shadia Pratsmaji, the festival's Open Submissions Program Coordinator. Hello, Mas Hikmat. Thank you so much
Hello,
for being
Mas
here.
Hikmat. Thank you for coming to our studio.
And also, can you share with us some of the mission of the 2024 International Madani Film Festival? But before that, before you answer, can we have the next guest to come with us, please? Thank you so much. Please have a seat.
Please have a seat. Welcome to our
One of the
studio.
backbone of the festival.
Backbone of the festival.
Welcome to our studio. Thank you so much.
Sorry, probably for the
Yep.
previous question. Why did you choose the theme Celebrating Muslim Diversity?
Well, it's the overall theme of the festival. It's our mission actually to celebrate diversity in Muslim world, and we celebrate not only the values but also the living condition of Muslim or Islam communities all over the world. So basically, we focusing on the very diverse issues or situation of Muslim or all the people in the world that engage in the Islam or Muslim communities.
Okay.
And try to capture that in the cinema culture, because I think that's the very effective way to celebrate those kind of diversity. But actually, every year we have a particular theme based on our reading into the contemporary situation of the world. For example, this year the current theme Marwah. Or dignity.
Okay.
It's an Indonesian word derived from the Arabic word muruah, but also it's close to our ideals about what would happen, what should happen during next 1 year,
Okay.
with all the conflict in the world, escalating conflict and so on. And this is a continuation of our festival last year, because sadly, last year we began our festival. We wanted to celebrate something, so we invited Palestine movie maker, and we opened our festival last year in 7 October. Can you imagine?
Wow.
It's the beginning
Yeah.
of genocide. So
Yeah.
and
Iconic
now,
date.
Yes, now. Nearly 1 year later, and
Yeah.
the genocide still happened.
Yeah.
And so we continue our focus on Palestine, Palestine movies, Palestine world,
Yeah.
and also Sudan, where we have also the conflict in
conflict
there,
there.
but we also have the long tradition of intellectual discourse and practice in Muslim world. One of the oldest and one of the best discourse of Islamic intellectual achievement in Sudan, in Africa.
Yep.
So we focus on the movies from those two
All right.
countries.
Yeah. So that they
Yeah.
connect. Yeah.
So
they-
even in the face of all the conflict, we try to still celebrate
Yep.
our potential of diversity, and we try to be hopeful,
I see.
about the situation. So we strive to the ideals of having dignity that link into our ideals of independent,
I see.
Because,
So, yeah.
in our constitution.
Yeah, so
right?
the theme of the
Yeah.
festival always connect with what's happening
Right,
around the world,
every year,
especially the
every year.
conflict that
Not
revolves
especially,
around
but
Muslim
these
people.
2 years, these 2 years,
I see.
especially the conflict, and we try to
Yep.
look at the bigger picture.
Okay, so
but not all about conflict, of
Yep.
course.
Oh, all right. So the last 2 years only.
Yeah.
Okay, so to Shadia, how does the festival aim to celebrate and promote Muslim diversity?
So one of the programs, to answer your question, one of the programs that we have here is the short film competition. This is where we receive submissions from all over the world, basically. And this is where we celebrate the Muslim diversity and beyond, actually, because not all films are like heavily on the Muslim side, but it's like the Muslim communities here and beyond. So it also includes the people who are diverse, in this competition we receive films from all over the world, and we have 1,645 submissions from
Hold
three
on.
categories.
Can you repeat that again?
That's a lot.
1,645 submissions for 3 categories.
1,645.
So her
For 3
team must watch all them, all
Yes.
of them.
How many of the team? How many people in the team?
For short film competition, we received 1,504.
Okay.
So we work with 3 curators and me and my colleague Akbar, so 5 of us.
Wow.
5 of
Hold
you?
on right there. More
Look
than
at those.
1,500.
Yes.
And only 5 of you.
Yeah.
Yes, so the 3 curators have to watch like roughly 500-ish films.
For the span of your life.
5 weeks.
Wow. Okay, so to actually follow up on that,
Yeah.
what are the criteria that you should look in each movie to be able to get into the festival?
Of course, besides the quality of
Yep.
the film, which includes the technical abilities,
Yep.
the stuff like the mise-en-scène, the camera, music, and all.
Story and
the
so on.
story, of course, the story.
Yeah.
So we have the theme actually that every year that Mas Hikmat already said, and we have
Okay.
that theme, and that we try to see the theme in the shorter films.
Okay.
Yeah.
If the film reflects something that's Madani, if the film reflects Marwah, so
Yeah.
we put that in.
So they have to follow the
Yes.
theme.
So for people who are watching at the moment who might not be familiar with the terms Madani and Marwah, because you explained
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Marwah, what is Madani then?
Well, if I may, Madani is a word that actually popularized before the Reformation, actually during the 80s and 90s by one of the most prominent Indonesian Muslim scholar, Nurcholish Madjid,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
to translate the term civil society.
Oh.
So
Okay.
the civil part translated into Madani. And Madani is such a beautiful word for us because it also connected to the other meaning, which is cities. Madinah is
Oh,
cities.
it's correlated with the
Yes,
city.
and Nurcholish Madjid connected the words Madinah to Madani and to Tamadun, civilization.
Okay.
So that's such a beautiful word and quite interesting to used as a translation of civil society. That's one of the ideals of our festival, to strive into the, the more the healthier and the stronger civil society, right? The movies and the teaching of Islam is only a door, into the greater diversity and to create our ideals of civil society. So we use that term again in Madani Film
Okay.
Festival.
Okay,
And Marwah connected to the current conflict. We hope that after all the falls, bodies falls, but ideas not. That's what,
Still be living.
yeah,
Yep.
we have is the seed. It will be the seed of new peace and new dignity for all people, regardless of the race and the religion.
Okay, you've been mentioning about diversity in Muslim world. So how diverse is the diversity?
Right. First of all,
also in what
of course,
context?
we focus on the living Islam, meaning Islam as experienced by the people, the true experience in the daily life and so on. So it's very diverse because we have one program, Tenggara, is about Southeast Asian voice of Islam in the world. So it is our contribution, our voice for the discourse of Islam in the world.
I see.
But we also always open the doors for movies from Europe, for America, wherever there's an issue between people involving the migrant and so on.
Yes.
Okay.
Probably you could add,
in our program Madani Shorts, which is an out of competition program, part of the 1,645
Yes.
films received.
Yeah.
We actually have a film from Ukraine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, which reflects the war and
Yep.
how resilient they are being.
So the diversity means in the way of living
Yeah,
and the way they understand things and stuff like that.
The contemporary issues also.
I see.
For
Yeah,
example, the rural area and the urbanization all over the world, especially in the global south,
Yep.
facing this kind of recurrent problem, right? Of dealing with modernization and so on.
Yep.
That's in itself a problem of diversity, right?
Yes, I
We
see.
want to make a platform for all voices if we can.
I see. So you have mentioned a story about war and also about the conflict that's ongoing all over the
Right.
world.
Yeah.
And it's related to the theme Madani and Marwah. So what are the stories, we're curious, what are the stories that are being displayed through the movies that are being sent as part of applications? Because you've seen like hundreds of,
Oh, wait,
you
wait,
yourself,
wait, not hundreds, thousands.
Yeah, but
Thousands, right.
she herself, hundreds, right?
500s,
Yeah, but
yes.
all of her team, like thousands.
The team watches
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
500 films per
Must be
person.
a lot of theme, right?
Yes, we have very
A lot of
diverse
stories. Yeah,
films
yeah, yeah.
actually, like from Iran, from Indonesia, from Bahrain with a horse.
Oh,
Yes,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
the story of
Afghan,
someone.
yeah.
yeah.
And then we have a program called Madani Kids as well, where we celebrate the diversity for kids. Actually, so
Yeah.
that's also part of the 1,000 something films.
And for the feature length movies, we have the opening from Sudan,
Yes,
right?
from Sudan.
Goodbye Julia.
Oh.
Is part of the world that our viewer probably very rare to see, the
Yes.
part of Islamic world or even part of the world, we don't really familiar, especially if we only familiarize ourselves with Hollywood movies and so on.
Yeah,
And
I guess.
then the closing, we have two movies.
Yes,
In the closing.
Both from Palestine.
Both
Oh,
from
that's
Yeah, first the teacher,
Yes, the
winner
teacher.
of Berlinale.
Yes, I think so,
Berlinale
yes. Okay.
this year.
Yeah.
The teacher Farah Nablusi, women director from about the struggle in the Palestine occupied area, and World Off.
Okay.
Produced by Alana Hadid, right? Is one of the first product of her new founded production house together with Roger Waters from Pink Floyd.
Okay, so, wow. So Farah Nablusi, Alana Hadid, and Roger Waters.
But
Both in the
the-
closing.
aside from those three
Notable
names,
filmmakers.
Are there any more notable filmmakers?
Right. For example,
entries this year.
this year we focus. I think it's about time. Yeah, we have to appreciate the achievement of Hanung Bramantyo.
Oh,
So we
So
have
his-
retrospection of Hanung Bramantyo.
wow, interesting. So his creation got into the festival.
Right,
Wow.
right. Of course, we have Tuhan izinkan aku berbuat dosa, one of his new movies.
Yes.
But we also have, for example, Hijab. This is very rare, even not in the OTT. So it's very rare, and now the chance to show that in the cinema.
Okay.
So Hijab is, I recommend it. And of course the discussion will be Hanung will be attend to.
Yes.
Wow, very interesting. And apart from the screenings, because we are so delighted that Hanung Bramantyo, our very own Hanung Bramantyo, is a
Right.
part of the film screening as well. And what are other events that are being held at the festival besides the
Yes.
film stuff?
Yes, every year we have discussion. I think one of our unique trait is that we are the movie festival based on issues or on discourse. So discussion, seminars, master class is very integral part of our festival.
Like film master class?
Yes, we can have a platform for diversity actually in the discussion and the workshop and so on. Usually we invited filmmaker or artist from America or from Europe or from Bosnia, in our first movies. But now, unfortunately, due to several circumstances, we have to scale down.
Okay, understandable.
We have to scale because of the current situation in the budget from government, from the Kemdikbud and from the DKJ,
Arts
Jakarta
Council.
Governance, yeah,
Okay.
Jakarta Art Council. We have to scale down for this year, but we still have our resilience to
Yes.
still make a platform for the discussion. So we have Relax is Just Religion discussion about how we perceive popular culture after Gaza happening,
Yeah.
right? And we have BINUS, yeah?
Yeah, BINUS
BINUS
Maybe you
University.
can
Yes,
tell about the
There's going to
discussion.
be a screening of the students' films,
Oh,
carefully curated.
carefully curated. I love the word carefully
Yeah.
curated.
Yes, for your pleasure. There's going to be a talk with the filmmakers,
With the film.
with the students.
Wow.
Well, this is certainly something to wait for, and also currently we need to go on a break, and we'll continue our talk with Hikmat and Shadia after the break. So stay tuned with us.